Just changing the rear hub seal. It's a little bit reluctant to come out. It's been there for a very long time. Come on. There we go. And there is the rear wheel bearing. That's a crazy design, isn't it? Like a large needle roller bearing design. I've not seen them like this before, but I guess this is a vintage bearing. I'm presuming that I should pack this with grease, so I'm going to go and do that. Plenty of it. So I'm getting lots of grease to go through the rollers, so squidging it up, up it comes, all the way through, just to make sure that they are properly lubricated on every single aspect of their surfaces. Any little bits, squeeze them off, pop them in. Beautiful. In goes the hub seal. Oh, hold on. That's a good note. Oh. You can see why I repair cars now. Got my hub seal almost all of the way in. Just need to knock it home. Right, put my circlip in, which will keep our bearing and seal in place. And this hub can go back on the car once I've cleaned out the brake drum with a bit of brake cleaner. The brake drum doesn't want to go onto or over the brake shoes. Okay, it looks like the handbrake is the problem. What I'm doing is adjusting the brakes off. Right, let's try that. Rear hub, rear drums, everything on. We almost have a rolling car.